Woodworking factories spend a lot of money powering their dust collection systems. Frequently, between 30% and 50% of the entire factory's electricity bill goes to dust collection. These systems work by providing constant suction at all sources of dust in the factory, from the beginning of each shift all the way through the end of the shift. This generally works fine, but not all machines are in use at all times during the day. So much of this airflow isn't necessary. Frequently, dust collection systems even run during breaks. Now, there's a better way, using intelligent sensors and automated controls. Ecogate sensors automatically detect which machines need dust collection in real time. Automated blast gates open to let air flow to machines that need dust collection, and close to machines that do not. A variable frequency drive modulates the speed of the fan to always provide the right amount of air volume based on workstation activity. Because power use varies with the cube of the air volume, electricity savings are typically between 50% and 75%. Additional benefits include improved system performance, extended fan and filter lifetime, as well as a cleaner, quieter, and safer work environment. The system also automatically powers down when no workstations need dust collection. For more information, contact Ecogate today